All right. Good afternoon. Jeremiah Conger here from Annuity Association, and we're here in the first week of June, and we're going to be discussing our State of the Fixed Annuity Rates Report. So, trying to get one of these out at least once per month in regards to the updates to the fixed annuities and multi-year guaranteed annuities, so that we can keep everybody abreast of the rate updates to ensure everybody is making an informed decision. So we've seen a lot of volatility this year as it continues with the various factors that are playing into that volatility with the war abroad with Russia and Ukraine. And we're seeing a lot of volatility here in the States due to rapid inflation and oil prices and geopolitical issues. So it looks like volatility is going to be here to stay for a while. So if you're in the market for a safe money instrument, you're looking for a way to grow your money safely with no downside risk, a fixed annuity, or what's also referred to as a multi-year guaranteed annuity, or MYGA, is a great alternative for those safe money investors looking to earn a fair rate of return without taking any risk to do so. Before we get started and looking at the current rates for June of 2022, I am going to read off our handy dandy disclaimer, and then we'll get right into it. So thanks for watching today. Bear with me. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. Okay, so we're discussing the State of the Fixed Annuity Market Report for June of 2022. We are specifically discussing fixed annuity rates and multi-year guaranteed annuity rates to determine the highest fixed annuity and highest MYGA rates for June of 2022. This is an independent review brought to you by AnnuityAssociation.com. This is a review, not a recommendation to buy or sell an annuity. No insurance company has endorsed this review in any way, nor do we receive any compensation for this review. This review is meant to be an independent review at the request of website visitors so they can see our perspective in breaking down the positives and negatives of this particular annuity. Before purchasing any investment product, be sure to do your own due diligence and consult a properly licensed professional should you have specific questions as they relate to your individual circumstances. All names, marks, and materials used for this review are property of their respective owners and not that of AnnuityAssociation.com. While care has been made to ensure this review is complete and accurate, no guarantees are made to the completeness or accuracy. All right, so thanks for bearing with me there. Let's go ahead and get started. So, we've been seeing a lot of volatility in the markets, a lot of current market investors really worried about the volatility. A lot of that caused recently by the recent Fed hikes on the rates. And we are expecting another rate here within the next week or so from the Fed in the middle of June. A lot of economists are anticipating a minimum of 25 basis points and as high as 50 basis points to raise those rates and hopefully try to hedge this inflationary concern that our markets are in currently. A lot of that is to be really argued in terms of, is raising rates the best thing to do? A lot of these inflationary, issues that we're seeing are caused by supply chain issues and not necessarily just from the fact that the Fed has printed a lot of money within the last couple of years due to the COVID 2020 pandemic. But right now we're looking at the Treasury yield for the 10-year, and we're seeing it just under 3%, currently sitting at 2.972. So this is a 10-year Treasury note here, and you're looking at a sub 3% return when holding it to maturity for 10 years. These rate hikes do also impact the bank certificates of deposit, which are also a safe money instrument. So let's take a look at the current highest bank CDs according to our friends over at bankrate.com. I'm not affiliated with them in any way, but it seems to be a good measurement of the current bank CD environment when you go into Google and search for this. So we're looking at a 5-year at 3.21, a 4-year at 3.1, and a 3-year at 3.01. So pretty competitive rates there, a lot better than what they were just 1 year ago. We were finding sub 1% in these 3 to 5 year annuities just about a year ago. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at our fixed annuity report. So if you're, again, unfamiliar with fixed annuities or multi-year guaranteed annuities, they are the insurance industry's answer to the bank certificate of deposit. The difference being is that a multi-year guaranteed annuity or fixed annuity is offered by an insurance company. And while they're not an FDIC insured like a bank CD would be, they are insured through the State Insurance Guarantee Association. Depending on the state, it's anywhere from $250,000 to $300,000. Some are a bit more, but it is governed by state. So if you'd like to find out what the safety net provisions and coverages are for your individual state, you can reach out to me directly or just ask a question on this video form comment section wherever you're watching this today, and I'll answer that for you in a timely fashion. But we're looking at the 3-year rates. Had the top rate coming in from American Life, which is a B++ rated company, offering a 3.85% compounded interest rate per year with no penalty. These rates are compounded daily, and in most cases, these products will offer a free withdrawal provision of up to 10%, usually starting after the first year. So in years 2 and beyond, you can access 10% of your principal and interest to supplement your income should you deem necessary, with no early surrender withdrawal penalties. In addition, these are going to still offer, a contractual guarantee of principal protection. There are no market risks associated with a fixed annuity or multi-year guaranteed annuity. And one of the many benefits of a MYGA or fixed annuity versus a traditional bank CD is that your growth is tax deferred. So you do not have to claim the interest each year on a fixed annuity or multi-year guaranteed annuity. These do grow tax deferred. We'll see Gillico comes in number 2, another B++ rated company at 3.6% compounded interest with 5% free withdrawal starting in years 2 and beyond. And then Delaware Life coming in at number 3 at 3.55% compounded interest per year with a 10% free withdrawal provision. All right, moving up to the 5-year contract terms, we see Atlantic Coast Life, another B++ rated company, coming in at 4.06% compounded interest. No free withdrawals there. American Life with their American Classic 5 multi-year guaranteed annuity or MYGA at 4.05% guaranteed yield to surrender, 10% free withdrawal provision starting in years 2 and beyond. And then Sentinel Security Life with their Personal Choice MYGA at 4.05% guaranteed compounded interest, no free withdrawals there. Here in the 6-year space, this has been a unique contract term because of the highest in recent times, the highest guaranteed yield compounded interest rate offered in a fixed annuity. Ocean View just recently was as high as 4.3%. That was a limited time offer. They have recently brought that back down to 4.15%, as you'll see indicated here. So Ocean View Life with their Harbor View MYGA coming in at 4.15% guaranteed compounded interest rate per year, allowing for 10% free withdrawal provision starting in years 2 and beyond. Atlantic Coast Life with their Safe Harbor MYGA, 4.08% guaranteed yield to surrender, no free withdrawals there. And then the Oxford Life Multi-Select MYGA at 4.05% with 10% free withdrawals starting in years 2 and beyond. These companies, if I didn't mention, Ocean View an A-, Atlantic Coast at B++, and Oxford Life an A-rated company. Coming in next, you'll notice the 6-year seems to be the sweet spot as we do see a slight decline in the guaranteed rates in the 7-year. Sentinel Security Life with their personal choice MYGA, 4.1%, no free withdrawals. Atlantic Coast Life with their Safe Harbor MYGA at 4.1% as well. And then Athene cracking the top 3 in the 3rd spot, A-rated company with their Athene Max Rate MYGA at 3.95% with interest-only withdrawal provisions in that product. And then last but not least, in the 10-year window, we see Oxford Life, A-rated company at 4.05%. 10% free withdrawal starting in years 2 and beyond. Ocean View with their Harborview MYGA at 4.05. 10% free withdrawals there. And then Equitrust with the 4% guaranteed yield to surrender with interest-only withdrawals there. As you can see, the 6-year spot still seems to be the sweet spot this month for June of 2022, with Ocean View standing out amongst the leader of the pack at 4.15%. Still not too bad of a yield to be said here in the 3-year offer at 3.85 offered by American Life. Or if you're looking for an A- rated or better company, we have Delaware holding strong at 3.55. So I hope that this has offered some insight to you in regards to what's available today on the current fixed annuity, multi-year guaranteed annuity marketplace. If you'd like to work with me directly, I work with clients in all 50 states, and I'd be honored to see how I can help. In order to work with me directly, you can simply go to our website at annuityassociation.com. Right there on the main page, you can click the green button to schedule your virtual Zoom meeting where we can get together at a time that's convenient for you and go over the various options and determine which product specifically is going to help you meet your needs above and beyond. Again, my name is Jeremiah Conger here with Annuity Association. I appreciate you tuning in today. Hope everyone has a great day out there. Take care of one another. This is Jeremiah signing off. Have a good day.